Get ready to join the next generation of leaders in Fairfax County. Tap into your full career potential and expand your professional and social networks through YOPROs. The Fairfax County Young Professionals cohort aims to motivate, innovate, and connect Fairfax County employees across the area. Our group promotes professional development and collaborates to brainstorm new ideas for the future of Fairfax. Membership is free and open to all employees, including the young and the young at heart. We have plenty of opportunities for you to meet fellow YOPROs, from professional development workshops to networking events, fun social meetups, and even volunteer opportunities. For more information on membership and upcoming events, search YOPRO on FairfaxNet or email us at coexecyopros@fairfaxcounty.gov.